Amy.
Hi guys! Christmas is just around the corner. You might want to make a Christmas cake, but have no ingredients for baking? Don't worry. You can still make a Christmas cake with choco pie, which is Korean's legendary chocolate dessert. You want to know how? Then watch this video, please. We start with cutting into small pieces. Add some milk and heat it in the microwave for a minute. Crush this and mix until it turns like batter. Sometimes a hand is the best cooking tool. Now it looks like batter. I prepared a bowl that is microwave safe and baking paper, which helps the cake to come out well later. If you're ready, hold the batter carefully. Time to go to the microwave, not the oven. While it's baking, wash your strawberries and dry them on the paper towel. About 3 strawberries, I just removed the stems. And the others, I sliced them. Look at this. We have brownie here. It does taste like a brownie. One more minute in the microwave. Let it cool down. After cooling it down, we're gonna split it into 2. Wow, the texture is like a thick brownie or rice cake. Very unique anyway. To be honest, I did it, but you guys better not split it. Ta-da! Nutella. Spread it, and it's gonna be a glue to strawberries. Put the sliced strawberries. I think the more the better. Now cover up with another layer. Ooh, looks like a brownie strawberry sandwich. While melting chocolate, you can use any kinds of chocolate as long as it can melt. Microwave has worked hard today. Beat the chocolate until thick. Beautiful chocolate shower. How about we use this stem for decorating? strawberries. Couple of minutes later, I moved it to the plate. I changed my mind. These are so much better. I brought things from the tree to make a Christmas mood. Lastly, sugar powder on the top. Still something's missing. I have a great idea. With this Christmas card, I'm gonna make a cake topper. What a brilliant idea! Delivery fee is always helpful. That's it. The most unique Christmas cake ever! Let me try. Such a lovely combination of strawberry and choco pie. It's sweet and sour, thick chocolate cake. No oven, no eggs. You can simply make it and enjoy. Merry Christmas, guys!